Hi everyone, hope it's all well. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. First thing, I'm going to try something a little bit different now. So when I normally source my deals out to investors, they come through an approved list, go to my team, they verify you, and then you buy a deal, so on and so forth. I've managed to do around about 70 of these in 4 years, well, nearly 5 years now, when I started off doing this full time in March 2016. So this is a deal just in. Any questions or comments, I'll put a link below. Send an email to development@pegasuspg.com. That's if you're interested in this deal. If you want to become a verified investor, I'll put the link down below as well. It's info@pegasuspg.com. But I'm going to talk you through this deal, and if this goes well, I might start putting more deals on here for you to see what kind of deals we bring to the table. And if you're interested, this may be one for you as well. So this deal here, it's a deal in an area called Quinton, which is a part of Birmingham. So let me take you through. It's going to be a very quick video, very quick snapshot to get your feedback. Also, put your comments down below in the comment section. So if you like it, if you don't, if you think I should do more, less, or anything else you want to learn, comment as well. I'll do more videos just to help you. So let's get straight in. As I said, pretty quick. We'll get straight into the pictures. So you'll see here, as I said, it's an area called Quinton, as you can see here in Birmingham. Literally, I've done a floor plan. You'll see, literally, as you see them, when you walk in the hallway, and the right staircase comes up, walk from the doorway here, the hallway, to your left, I put a bedroom, straight on is your lounge. This yellow area here is a storeroom, but obviously depends on if you want a bigger bedroom, small lounge, but I think that would be the bedroom, that could be the lounge. As soon as you walk in your front door, turn right to bathroom, on your back rear right is the kitchen. On this one, it's a purchase price of 73,000. Yes, 73,000 in Birmingham. Really great price. This is a 125-year leasehold property from 14th of August 2016. So that's 14 years gone basically. You've still got a good number of years there, haven't you? So quite a good lease. Literally, I'll talk you through now with some pictures, So get to the beginning. So this is the bathroom. Part of the £6,000 renovation, looking at doing the kitchen, the bathroom, maybe some flooring and a good paint. So make it really nice, spruce it up and get the best tenants in. While on this subject, it's been renting historically for £495. I've been online, I've checked the LHA rate or DSS or the benefit rate as some people know it. In this area, the one bed benefit rate just gone up in April because there's been an unfreeze of benefit cap to £525 per car a month. So you can see already there's a £30 uplift. You possibly could try and stretch that a little bit further, but I'd say work on the 495 because that's what it's been getting. The 525 is easily achievable. Anything extra is a bonus. So work on 495 for now on your numbers per calendar month. £73,000 purchase price, £6,000 renovation. That's the bathroom's going to get done. That's that front left room, what I said was a lounge. That's what we've already spoke about. You've already seen that. That's the hallway, so I said you walk up the staircase, come along. I have got a video for you as well to give you more of a feel as though you are there. So as I said, that right room has a bedroom. Right behind me here is the lounge. To your left is a kitchen and bathroom just over here. There's the kitchen. As you can tell, that's why it needs a new kitchen. It's the old, like a council kitchen. So take that out, get it done, get it tiled and painted, it'll look really nice. I personally put some blinds up as well. It's always nice to give tenants blinds. Some people don't. I always think it's nice. Then that's the bedroom. Walk in on your left on the bedroom. So let me show you a quick video. So you've got more of a feel in person. You come up the communal staircase there, front door. This flat's straight on your left. You turn left here now. This is what I call the bedroom. As a bedroom, laminate floor, this seems fine. Spruce and the paint, looks really well. So you're right there's the bathroom, and right there's the kitchen. Here's that storage room, that little yellow on the plan. I'll go back to them shortly. There's your kitchen, you saw on the photos. Got a look around. The boiler is pretty new as well. We'll get all the documentation for these for you. As you can see, it's Valent boiler. They're quite good and quite credible on their brand, either Worcester or Valent, etc. Sometimes Baxi. This is that other lounge. I think it could be lounge or bedroom, but I'd call this a lounge. So that's where we're at really. That is what we're on. Back into the hallway. You've got a little hatch there to check any faults above.
you.